Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I've been back from holiday now for about a week and I'm having that feeling of being back to the daily grind, back to the grindstone. And I guess many of you will know that feeling where holidays seem like a distant dream, like something that happened a long time ago in a world far away. Over the coming months, I'm going to be insanely busy working on the next 2 levels of the outcome series. We're doing 3rd editions at the moment. And on top of that, I've got a couple of conferences coming up. I've got some stuff I have to write for the conferences. I've got various other bits and pieces of work-related stuff ahead of me. And it's going to be really full on. It's going to be manic. So basically, I'm steeling myself for it all. If you steel yourself, steel as in the metal, the really strong, hard metal that sort of bridges and things are made from, not steel as in, take something that doesn't belong to you. If you steel yourself for something, you prepare yourself for something that you know is going to be difficult or unpleasant. So maybe if you know someone's going to tell you something terrible that you don't want to hear, you have to steel yourself for the awful truth. If you're worried that you're not going to pass the exams you wanted to pass or get the promotion you wanted at work, you might steel yourself for the disappointment. If you play football or other kinds of sports ahead of a big game, you have to steel yourself for the game to get ready. In the same way, both literally and metaphorically, you might need to steel yourself for the coming battle. And if you know you're going to be hit hard, maybe you're facing redundancy at work, or maybe you're worried that your partner's going to leave you, you steel yourself for the blow. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of things you might be steeling yourself for.